Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to BK Creative Crafts. Now, I am going to show you a step-by-step process of making this beautiful Mother's Day thank you card. So make sure you watch till the end and tell me how much you like it in the comment section. Without further delay, let's start making. Haven't you subscribed my channel yet? Then do subscribe to BK Creative Crafts and click on the bell icon to get all my beautiful craft videos without missing any craft. this Mother's Day thank you card, then please do like this video so that it will reach more beautiful souls like you, and share this video with your friends and siblings so that they can also make this card to thank their mom. Also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get more beautiful greeting cards like this. And I'll be back with my next art video. Until then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.